Greetings everyone and welcome back to our video for today. I'm glad that you are here with us. In this session, we are going to dive deep into some essential aspects of successful project management within the corporate world. We will be exploring the concepts of project, program, and portfolio, the three pillars that play a crucial role in achieving the success in business endeavors. We are going to make these concepts come to life by using real-life situations as examples. After that, we will be moving to an engaging activity that's tied to a highly prestigious event, Chandrayaan-3. Alright, let's begin with our first topic for today, that is grasping the concept of projects. The concept of project often remains unclear to many. We frequently encounter questions like how projects are defined and categorized. Is everything or anything can be considered a project? Let me try to explain in simple terms. A project can be described as a temporary endeavor aimed at achieving a specific outcome within a defined time frame. So, a project is when you have a bunch of things to do, but you have to finish them within a certain time. Let's make this concept even clearer with a real-life example. Let's imagine the process of making a cup of tea, where the tea itself is the desired outcome. This seemingly simple task can also be viewed as a project. You might be wondering, how can making tea be thought of as a project? So think of it in just like this. Making tea is a bit like a quick or temporary job. You follow specific steps one after the other in a shorter time to have a cup of tea. For example, you boil water, you add milk, add tea leaves and then pour sugar. When you put all these tasks together within a certain time, it's like creating a project, getting ready a cup of tea. Now, let's quickly go through some everyday things and examples from corporate world that will help you to understand what kind of tasks don't even fall under the category of projects. Your daily routines, your exercising habits, hobbies, employee training programs, product maintenance, customer relationship management. Remember, projects have unique characteristics that distinguish them from these ongoing activities. But sometimes a project isn't enough to achieve the larger strategic objectives. That's where the programs comes into play. Think of programs as a collection of related projects, all coordinated and managed together to achieve a broader goals that no single project could accomplish alone. Let's understand program by using our example of tea preparation. Now imagine you have to prepare a tea for a housewarming party. So, will you be only preparing a tea? Of course not. We would have some more smaller projects like preparation of snacks, home decoration and etc. Now, by combining all these individual projects, you get an outcome which is your housewarming party to create a delightful experience for the attendees. And now there are portfolios, a collection of projects, programs and other work that is grouped together to facilitate the effective management of that work to meet the strategic business objectives. The projects or programs of the portfolio may not be necessarily interdependent or directly related. Now, let's understand portfolio using our housewarming party example. Now imagine yourself as a head of organization which manages events like housewarming parties, wedding functions, birthday functions and etc. Your primary goal is to provide unforgettable and flawless event experiences. This objective becomes the essence of your portfolio, capturing your range of services. All these events or programs, including the housewarming party event, would collectively form the event management portfolio. Each event within the portfolio might have its own set of projects like preparation of tea, snacks, etc. that need to be accomplished, and these projects contribute to the overall success of each event. So, here's a simple summary using a diagram. Imagine the organization's main goals are at the very top. We can call them portfolios. Right below that, there are special events, which we call them as programs, which help making those goals happen. And then there are smaller tasks. They are called projects under those events that also help us to reach the main goals. So it's like a bunch of building blocks working together to make the big plan come true. Alright, let's ready to explore the interesting world of portfolios, programs and projects with an activity. In this exciting journey of learning, we will be using yet another example, the Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission. As we explore this concept, take a moment to observe the diagram in front of you. We have three key elements over here. ISRO's Space Exploration Initiatives, Chandrayaan Mission Series, and the trio Chandrayaan-1, Chandrayaan-2 and Chandrayaan-3. Now, I encourage you to actively participate in the comment section. Share your understanding of how you would categorize each of these elements as a project, program, and portfolio based on what we discussed. So, we have reached the conclusion of this video. I trust you have gained some valuable insights from it. If you found this content helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to stay updated with more such informative videos. Thank you everyone.